Okay, this is something I don't have an easy answer for, but it is important. Some may argue that even paradise is a man's heaven. Do you have any thoughts? Well, again here, we have to recall what Sayyidina Ibn Abbas said, which is that in the Akhirah, none of the things of this world will exist, only their names. And the view of the Salaf is that the realities of the Akhirah are real, and the descriptions given of them in Revelation are real. Allah is not deceiving us so that we'll get some total surprise. However, because the Akhirah exists after the end of time, it is impossible for us really to envisage them. We accept that yes, there are trees, fountains, etc. in Jannah, but to envisage them too closely is certainly going to lead us astray. They are there for targhib and tarhib rather than as exact descriptions that might be accessible to the human mind. Because the last day, the Yawm al-Qiyamah, is al-Yawm al-Akhir. After that, time stops. It's the end of linear time, and time is stretched, and one is entering something that to us is certainly unimaginable, because we can't imagine what the world would be like if time didn't function the way we are used to. So the realities of the Akhirah are realities, but they are nonetheless realities that we have to interpret really bila kayf, without how. We accept them as real, but we don't really know what it could mean. And all we can say about sexuality in paradise is that it will be there. But trying to work out the fine details of, if you have several wives in the world, which one are you going to be married to in the next world, if you divorce one and she marries another man, all of that, pretending that it's a kind of fiqh issue, is inaccurate, because there is really no fiqh in the Akhirah. There are only realities, anwar, lights, haqa'iq, and that's the most that we can say. So to say that this looks like an injustice like the injustices that exist in the world is incorrect, because in the Akhirah, for the blessed, there are no injustices, and Allah says every soul shall have that which it desired. Obviously, the souls that get to heaven have beautiful desires, and that's the most that we can say. Wallahu subhanahu wa ta'ala a'lam.